check out our newest feature release. Guess what, guys? Partial quantities are now available in invoicing. So, what are partial quantities within invoicing? Well, let me let you know. Our CRM now enables partial quantities for invoicing, allowing you to effortlessly handle scenarios where you need to invoice in fractional amounts. Why this matters and how it's going to help you within your business. This new feature update is going to allow you to easily invoice partial quantities. You'll be able to improve accuracy in your invoicing by specifying quantities with decimal points. Now you'll be able to simplify your invoicing workflow with the seamless integration of partial quantities. So let me show you how to access this new feature. This new feature is going to be under Invoices. So let's go ahead and access Invoices. Go ahead and click Payments in the left-hand navigation. When that upper navigation opens up, I'd like you to select Invoices, and then from there, go ahead and click on the Plus New Invoice. And from there, you're going to go ahead and create an invoice just like you have in the past. The big difference now is that you can add those quantities within partial numbers. So anything like 1.5, 1.2, a half, anything like that. This really makes invoicing easy and convenient. So as you can see here in this image, we're using 2.5 as that partial in the partial quantity for this invoice. It's that easy. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.